The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Master the powerful forehand topspin. 2 key steps. Hi, can you see this match? The professional Chinese players have a very fast forehand topspin. How to do that? As coach EmRatThich, my goal is to simplify advanced techniques and embed powerful concepts into your gameplay. Today, we'll focus on improving your forehand topspin using the principles of forward friction and friction variation. Step 1. Master forward friction. Many players believe that adding friction reduces power. This misconception leads to a tendency to generate upward friction only, resulting in high, slow arcs. Instead, focus on forward friction, which combines spin and power effectively. Key action. When looping, move your forearm and wrist forward as if thrusting. During contact, transition seamlessly from hitting to brushing the ball, maintaining forward momentum. Why it works. Forward friction stabilizes the shot, adds extreme spin, and makes it difficult for opponents to counter effectively. Step 2. Use long and instant friction. Not every ball requires maximum effort or quality. Adjusting your friction based on the situation can elevate your gameplay. Instant friction. For weak, predictable pushes, shorten the contact time for a faster, sharper shot. Long friction. Against strong pushes, extend the contact time to control the ball, adding more spin and safety to land it consistently on the table. By embedding these 2 steps into your practice, you will develop a more versatile and powerful forehand topspin. Remember, forward friction creates spin without sacrificing speed, and mastering friction variation gives you control over any rally situation. Train wisely and keep improving.
Today, we will embed, no matter if you use pen hold or shake hand. These 2 steps today will greatly improve. Listen carefully. First, forward friction. In the minds of many players, friction means no power. So, in matches, they rarely add friction. It's mostly this upward friction. It's not wrong, but it makes the ball's arc too high. Real friction should generate forward power. Your forearm and wrist move like a thrust. The only change is that when contacting the ball, you transition from hitting to friction. This forward friction doesn't slow the ball. It adds extreme spin and is more stable than hitting directly. It makes it harder for the opponent to counter. Step 2. Long friction and instant friction. In matches, not every ball can be looped with maximum quality. Some balls can be looped powerfully, but for others, just getting the ball on the table is enough. When the opponent's push lacks quality and you feel confident, you can apply instant friction, shorten contact time, and the ball will be faster. On the other hand, if the opponent's push is high quality and you just want to land the ball on the table, you need to increase contact time, add more friction, and aim for a long friction feel.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.